Hi, my name is Cindy Amaiza, and I am from World Class Kenya. And today we're here to discuss about how adolescents and young people living with HIV successfully tackled the issue of expired antiretroviral treatment using social media under the hashtag Our Lives Matter. In Kenya, approximately about 185,000 adolescents and young people living with HIV require daily antiretroviral treatments to live longer and healthier lives. Y Plus Kenya is an umbrella network of youth-led organizations directly working to address the issues and challenges that are affecting adolescents and young people living with HIV. From 2018, we have been at the forefront of ensuring that the ARVs being dispensed in our health facilities are of standard and quality. You might be wondering what exactly prompted us to go ahead and use Twitter as our best channel. So during our routine support groups within our network, we noticed that some of the young people within us were being issued with expired medication. So we sent out a call to all the young people and adolescents living with HIV to check their expiry dates on their bottles of treatment and would get back to us in case they had expired medication. A total of 57 responses were collected via WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, and text message. Y Plus Kenya found out that young people on second-line medication, that is lopinavir, were being issued expired medication. Y Plus Kenya mobilized youth-led organizations and other like-minded organizations and asked the National AIDS and STI Control Program, that is NASCOP, to address this matter. This was, however, not taken up. So on March 2018, we decided to go on Twitter and challenged NASCOP to address this matter through the hashtag Our Lives Matter. We managed to attract over 123,000 impressions. So this effort did not go unrecognized, and so NASCOP had to ask Y Plus Kenya to nominate 7 young people who would meet 7 of the top high-ranking officials to come and have a dialogue with them. So these 7 young people stood their ground and agreed that they need to be at the forefront of achieving viral suppression. And this will not be done if they were being issued with expired medication. So NASCOP then went ahead and issued a notice to all healthcare facilities to check their stock on lopinavir, and if expired, that they would change their patients to available options as recommended in the National Care and Treatment Guidelines. The officials commended Y Plus Kenya for addressing the faults in these systems and committed to respond to young people's issues with urgency. So what exactly did we learn? That social media is an impactful tool when used properly, and we can see that it can effect change. It has enabled the quick and easy measuring and connection, contributing to tangible change. In future, it is very important that first communities develop accountability mechanisms to ensure governments provide quality commodities within their supply chain. And secondly, that treatment literacy is done to all end users for any available treatment regimen. This is to ensure that even though our young people might want to be adherent and very well taken care of, they might not be using the correct treatment for themselves. So we need to have these sort of mechanisms in place to ensure that young people get the right information the right way, and so they take their medication in the correct manner. Thank you and bye.